Hello friends, this is Umesh Sharma from CAD/CAM Solution Merit, and today we are going to create this machine vICE. And here we have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight component in this assembly. Okay, so today we will create this base part. So you can see this base part in isometric. So let's discuss about this base. So here we have the top view. This is my top view. This is sectional front view, which is from the center of this part. And here we have another section view from the middle of this, and we are looking from this side, from left side. So this is my sectional side view. So in this part I'm going to create this top view and this inside cut, and I will extrude this at 47, and a step is there which is a rectangular shape. This rectangular in shape, this bottom shape, this is okay. So this is rectangular shape which is 12 mm thick, and later I will create this upper portion and these holes. Okay, so let's start with the annex. Okay, select this sketch, and I'm selecting this top plane, and now start with the rectangle and one more rectangle. Now dimension it and align with horizontal. Same here. Okay, now this distance. So this distance is not here. So I am this 112 plus 200 312. The total length is 312. Okay, and this width is 176, and this is 100, and 100 from this side. Okay, and 100 from this. So first sketch is ready, and I want to create this inside portion. So select this rectangle and draw this rectangle, and thickness is 50, so change it to 50, and align this with the horizontal. Now this distance is 32, so distance between these two is 32, and here it is 45. So this dimension is not given, so I'm taking as 40. Okay, if anywhere I will find this dimension, then I will change it. Okay, so my first step is complete. Just finish it, and now I am selecting this extrude. So my first connected curve is this, and second is this. Okay, now extrude this 47 in reverse direction, and okay, so 47, and here we have this 12 mm thick, and go to back side. First, if you want to unite this both, and at the bottom face click, and I'm creating a rectangle, this, and this thickness is 66, means half of 66 is 33, so 33 from the middle, and this length is up to the last. So select this and select this line, make collinear. Now I'm going to mirror this. So my object curve is this and middle line is this. Okay, now finish. Okay, now extrude this and unite, and the thickness is 12 only, and click OK. Hide this sketch. Now from the front I am going to create this whole portion. So select from the side. Okay, and draw a rectangle. Select this vertical line and this point, make them constant so that the width will come same as 176. Okay, and the height is 94 from the bottom. Okay, and here two holes are there, so no problem. We will create this after extruding this. So select this, extrude, and this hole inside, and the width is 45, and unite this, apply. See. Okay, okay, here we can see this is solid and it is also including in this, so same it is. Now I'm going to cut this portion, so extrude, select this, reverse in direction, and cut this portion. We have to cut this up to this portion. Okay, some slot is there, you can see, which is 12. Okay, so here it is 47, so change it to 47 and subtract and see what will come. Okay, okay, now hide this sketch and this sketch as well, and now I want to apply some fillet, and 5 is the radius, so change it to 5, apply here and here and here and here and apply. And second 20, radius is 20, and this time my edge is this, and same here, apply, and 5 for this and this. Now I am just creating, and after creating I will take the section of this body and I will match with my front and side view. Okay, the section we will match, and one another section is there which is a 80 radius circle which is at 12 above. So my working face is this. Click OK, and now draw a circle, and radius is 80 and diameter is 160, which is 100 from this. Okay, and this 83 is this distance. Okay, so from here to this end point, click, and half of 83 and close. The sketch is constrained. Now mirror it about the horizontal axis, finish it and extrude this, and the thickness of this middle portion. So select curve and reverse direction, and the thickness is 59 minus 12, 59 minus 12. Okay, and click OK. Oops. And again 12. Okay, so 12, 12 at the two space we have 12, or or this is 35. You can change it here, 35, and okay, hide this sketch. Now some holes are there, so this is the first hole and one more hole here. So I am starting from this, so go to this space, select, orient the view. Okay, now we have a circle of 20 dar, align vertically, and the distance is, this distance is 37 from the bottom. Okay, here we have okay, and again two dots. I need two dot for these hole, so I will do it later. Okay, see, now for holes we have to create over this face. Now I'm creating at this, and the diameter of this 25. See, the diameter of the circle is 25. So click here and click, and 25 is the diameter. Align vertically, and distance from bottom is 37. Close and subtract it. Okay, both holes are concentric. Now one hole is there, so I am selecting this hole directly and click over this piece. This hole is aligned with horizontal axis, and the distance is 16 from the left. Finish it, and my oil hole is 10 diameter, 10 diameter, and 16 is a countersink dia, and depth up to the hole. So reduce this, and okay. So oiling hole is done. Now we have to create these two holes which are on this face. So select this, okay, and click first point. Okay, now this point is half of 112, 112, and this distance means this is how much far from the bottom edge. Here it is not shown, no problem. I will take this from the another view. We will get this. Okay. So here we have this hole, these two hole, which is 15 from the top. So select from the top and 15, it is 15. Now mirror this point, finish. Now use this hole command, and this hole is M8. So screw clearance hole, threaded hole, and M8, and the depth is this depth. Okay, we will take this from here, 18, and this 23, and click over this point and this point, M8 size hole, click OK. Two holes are there, so I'm selecting this hole directly, click over this face and dimension it, 100 and 23, sorry, and close, finish it. And the size of this hole is 2 hole die 15, simple hole, simple 15 die. Okay, now mirror it. My reference plane is this, and okay, hide this sketch. And now I want to match my view with the drawing. So select this, edit clip, and see front view, and the hole is not coming, so cut it from the hole. See, okay, this geometry is matched. It is also matched to holes, M8. Okay, it is done. So this front view is properly matching. Now change this view to front, side view is matched, and front view is also matching. And hide, right click and convert this into wireframe. So this is also coming, and this also. Right click and in shading, switch off, and apply one more fillet here and here, apply. So this fillet will come, see this, here is a fillet. Okay, and I think this fillet is 12 and it is not specified anywhere, so just double click over it and change it to 12 and click and see. Now it is properly matching. Yes, and only this oiling hole is remain, otherwise rest of the things we have completed. The dimension of this hole is, I have taken wrong. The 5 is the diameter, and oiling diameter countersunk is 8. Countersunk die is 10 and the main die is 5, and click OK. So this is the base, and see you in next